Home remodeling is all about creating a space that feels brighter, more comfortable, and more aligned with your lifestyle. In Rockford, more homeowners are choosing Bow Windows as part of their renovation projects, and it's easy to see why. These elegant, curved windows offer a unique combination of beauty, functionality, and long-term value that makes them a standout upgrade. Bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels that extend outward in a gentle curve. This design adds depth and dimension to your home, both inside and out. Unlike flat windows, bow windows create a softer, more sophisticated look that enhances your home's architectural style. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in Rockford are choosing bow windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a space. With multiple panels capturing sunlight from different angles, rooms feel brighter throughout the day. This added light can completely transform the atmosphere of a room, making it feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, especially during the darker winter months. In addition to increasing light, bow windows also improve your view. Their curved design offers a wider perspective of the outdoors, allowing you to enjoy your surroundings more fully. Whether it's your backyard, garden, or neighborhood, bow windows create a stronger connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Another major advantage is the extra interior space they provide. Because bow windows extend outward, they create a small alcove inside your home. Many Rockford homeowners use this space as a cozy seating area, reading nook, or decorative display. It's a simple way to add usable square footage without expanding your home's footprint. Curb appeal is another key factor driving their popularity. Bow windows instantly enhance the exterior of your home by adding dimension and visual interest. Their elegant curve stands out in a way that flat windows cannot, giving your home a more custom and refined appearance. For homeowners looking to make a strong impression, this upgrade delivers noticeable results. Energy efficiency has also improved significantly with modern bow window designs. Today's options include insulated frames and advanced glass technology that help regulate indoor temperatures. This means you can enjoy the beauty of larger windows without sacrificing comfort. In Rockford, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, this balance is especially important. Customization is another reason bow windows are a popular choice for remodel projects. Homeowners can select from a variety of materials, finishes, and configurations to match their home's style. Whether your home is traditional or modern, bow windows can be tailored to fit seamlessly with your existing design. Versatility also makes them appealing. Bow windows can be installed in a variety of rooms, including living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms. In each space, they serve a different purpose, whether it's creating a focal point, adding light, or providing a quiet place to relax. This flexibility allows homeowners to get creative with how they use their space. Durability is another important consideration. High-quality bow windows are built to withstand everyday wear and changing weather conditions. With proper installation and materials, they maintain their performance and appearance for years, making them a reliable long-term investment. Many homeowners also appreciate how bow windows enhance the overall feel of their home. The combination of natural light, expanded views, and added space creates a more enjoyable living environment. It's not just about how your home looks, it's about how it feels when you spend time in it. Finally, bow windows can increase your home's value. Their visual appeal and functional benefits make them an attractive feature for potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, it's reassuring to know that your investment adds lasting value. For homeowners in Rockford, bow windows offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality. As more people look for ways to upgrade their homes, it's no surprise that bow windows continue to grow in popularity. If you're planning a remodel, adding bow windows is a smart way to create a brighter, more inviting space while enhancing your home's overall appeal.